श्री राजमोहन उन्नीथान। माननीय मंत्री जी, माननीय मंत्री जी,
Sir, question number 63.
63 राजमोहन उन्नीथान।
Question number 63.
माननीय मंत्री महोदय,
It is laid on the table of the House.
माननीय सदस्य।
Sir, Indian expatriates are the most marginalized and exploited segment of our population. They opt overseas career as their last option in life due to the absence of any other opportunity available in India. But our government is deplorably pathetic towards these hapless people. Sir, the Indian Community Welfare Fund, ICWF, is the best example of India government's stepmotherly attitude towards the Indian expatriate community. The ICWF is conceived as a critical support. Sir,
Honorable member, only प्रश्न।
I am asking the question, sir.
हाँ,
The ICF is conceived as a critical support mechanism to expatriates in emergency situation. Compulsory contributions are collected from the Indian expatriates to the fund, but the Indian embassies are very parsimonious in releasing the funds to the needy expatriates, particularly in the GCC countries. Hence, this question is raised on the floor of this August House. I would like to know whether the government has any plan to involve the organizations of Indian expatriates in management of ICWS, if the details so far.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
So the learned member has raised many issues, but I particularly object to the allegations that have been made regarding the utilization of the ICWF funds. So the details of the utilization of the funds are very clearly given in the annexures, and it shows that we have a large amount of balance available for the welfare and the well-being for our workers who have gone abroad. So I'd like to add, so that it is a very important issue for the entire country, that the well-being of our workers are taken care of who have traveled abroad. And it is rightly so, as the member said, that they belong to the weaker sections of our society, especially financially. But I'd also like to add, sir, that apart from ICWF, our government has taken many such measures, especially under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, that I can proudly say that today every Indian who has traveled abroad, either as a student, as a laborer, as a worker, or even as a tourist, feels safe and secure given the measures that we have given. Sir, may I answer? Sir, may I answer? Sir, the members raising the question of Kuwait, sir. Sir, that is a matter of the Kuwait government. And when the Kuwait tragedy happened, we took all possible measures to bring back the mortal remains in record time, sir. Record time में हम लोग कुवैत से mortal remains लाए थे. वो उनका internal matter है, and वो लोग अब पूरे ध्यान से उसको देख रहे हैं कि ऐसी tragedy वहाँ ना हो. They are going over the system there. So, but that is their matter. Our responsibility lies in providing all assistance, whether legal or physical, medical, even to the tune of giving insurance cover to our citizens to work, study, or as tourists.
Second question.
Honorable member.
Sir, ICWF is, among other things, meant to provide emergency medical care on means tested based to overseas Indians who are involved in an accident with serious life-threatening injuries or have life-threatening medical conditions or suffer a serious disability. I would like to know from the minister how much amount has been disbursed for this purpose from the ICWF in the last 2 financial years.
So, a detailed reply in Annexure 1, Annexure B, and in Annexure C of the main answers already provided to the honourable members.
E.T. Mohammad Bashir. देखिए माननीय सदस्य, इस सारे विषय के अंदर एक मिनट सारे विषय के अंदर सरकार की तरफ से कोई बजटीय प्रावधान तो है नहीं। ये सब पैसा कलेक्शन किया जाता है इसी से ही। तो और बेहतर सुझाव हो तो उसमें क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से आग्रह करूंगा इसमें सभी लोगों से चर्चा कर विशेष रूप से हम और बेहतर कैसे कर सकते हैं उसके क्योंकि इसमें सरकार का पैसा तो है नहीं, बजटीय प्रावधान सरकार में है नहीं, तो जब पैसा उनका है तो उनको कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं उस पर चर्चा कर लेना एक बार। ओके, इटी मोहम्मद बशीर।
सर थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
माननीय सदस्य, आपको मैं हर बार प्रश्नकाल में अलाउ करता हूं, अगर आप बीच में उठोगे तो कभी प्रश्नकाल में अलाउ नहीं करूंगा। नो, बैठिए
सर।
माननीय सदस्य बोलने दो।
Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Mohammad Bashir.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, my question is pertaining to the functioning of this fund in different embassies. Sir, transparency, accountability, and a structured feedback mechanism is missing, sir. It is totally confusing, sir. In order to substantiate my point, I would like to quote Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs in the 15th report highlighted the need for improved transparency and accountability in the management of ICWF. The report emphasized that while ICWF has been beneficial to the needy people, some more attention is required in this. It recommends setting up of a transparent mechanism for monitoring and evaluating the fund utilization, ensuring that the support reaches to the intended beneficiaries. Sir, I would like to ask the Honourable Minister,
Okay.
what he also will agree because he has given that much of details in 137.
नहीं, आपका अच्छा सुझाव है,
Sir, my
पारदर्शिता अपनाएंगे।
humble
माननीय मंत्री
question
जी।
is, sir, what type of mechanism, sir, what type of mechanism he is going to introduce to ensure transparency in the system?
So, the honourable member is a very senior member of the House, and he's constantly raised the issue of safety, security, and well-being of workers abroad. So, we have endeavoured to give a very detailed reply, and specifically to the honourable member's question that what transparency measures should be built in. So, I'd like to add that this fund is constantly monitored by our missions abroad. So it is primarily collected by levying charges on our consular services. So it's a global fund, and whichever mission needs it more, it is transferred there. And we have, sir, since 2014, sir, we have spent rupees 656 crores to assist more than 3.5 lakh Indians in distress, sir. Sir, आज की डेट में हमारा current balance 692 crores है. But even then, sir, we are welcome to take any suggestions from the honourable member to whatever his suggestions are regarding the transparency of the utilization of these funds, sir.
ये बात ठीक है, आप एक बार सुझाव दें और माननीय मंत्री जी, और पारदर्शी व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं। दीपेंद्र हुड्डा जी।
आपके माध्यम से मैं जानना चाहूँगा, क्या विदेश मंत्रालय को इस बात की जानकारी है कि सर पिछले चंद वर्षों में बिना वीज़ा के जोखिम के रस्तों से लाखों की तादाद में हमारे देश के कई प्रदेशों के नौजवान, जिसको डोंकी का रास्ता कहते हैं, बेरोजगारी से हताशा से विदेशों की तरफ जा रहे हैं। यूएस, केवल एक मैं यूएस का उदाहरण देता हूं, कस्टम एंड बॉर्डर पेट्रोल सीबीपी यूएस के अनुसार 97,000 भारतीय नागरिक यूएस के दोनों पनामा के जंगलों के रास्ते मेक्सिको बॉर्डर से या कनाडा के थ्रू यूएस के अंदर पिछले एक वर्ष में उन्होंने उनको चेक किया है। अमानवीय परिस्थितियों से गुजरते हुए नौजवान जाते हैं। आज अभी यूएस में, अकेले यूएस में 15 लाख ऐसे भारतीय नागरिक हैं जो अनडॉक्यूमेंटेड हैं। क्या विदेश मंत्रालय उनकी समस्याओं को जो सामना उनको करना पड़ रहा है उसके बारे में संवेदनशील है? यदि हाँ तो क्या कर रहा है उनकी मदद के लिए?
Sir, our missions and this ICWF fund, the question the Honourable Minister has asked is not directly connected to it, but it's a sensitive question, sir, and I'll endeavour to give a full reply to it. Sir, जो हमारे Indian nationals आज बाहर जा रहे हैं काम करने के लिए, sir, there are two categories of countries. One is ECR countries and the other is ECNR countries, where the immigration check is not required. Sir, हमारी सरकार ने एक e-migrate पोर्टल शुरू किया है सर। इसका वजह यही है कि जितने भी हमारे वर्कर्स बाहर जा रहे हैं उस पर रजिस्टर करें, तब वो बाहर जाएं, उनका डेटाबेस ई-माइग्रेट पोर्टल पर रहता है, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन कीपिंग आवर मिशंस इन ट्रैक विद देम। और उनकी कोई भी अगर दिक्कतें होती हैं, हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे स्टेप्स लिए हैं। 24 इंटूसन हेल्पलाइन भी है, मदद पोर्टल है, और भी तमाम चीज़ें हैं कि इंश्योरेंस स्कीम है कि उनको कोई दिक्कत ना महसूस हो। सर ये जो ई माइग्रेट सिस्टम है सर, इट इज़ कंपल्सरी फॉर ECR passport holders going to ECR countries. In other cases, whether the passport holder is non-ECR going to a ECR country, or whether the passport holder is an ECR passport holder going to non-ECR countries, so we recommend and advise to go through this e-migrate portal, sir, so that उनको हम लोग सेफ रख सकें, उनकी वेलबींग देख सकें. But for nationals who do not undertake this service provided by our government, sir, how can we know कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसा कर रहे हैं? आंसर जो आपका ये आदरणीय सदस्य जी का जो क्वेश्चन है सर, दैट रिलेट्स मोर टू द वीज़ा कर्टेलिंग डन बाय द US. वो लोग अपने सिस्टम को इतना सख्त रखे हुए हैं कि हमारे सिटीजन्स को जो उनको जाना ही है वो तमाम तरीके के मेथड्स अपनाते हैं सर. बट वी कांट बी हेल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट.
Question